Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Adam with ND72. So, the last video, we tried those shocks, we tried a couple other setups, and it just wasn't work. The black car was just worse than it ever was. It was spinning at 20 rolls, spinning at 40 rolls, spinning at 60 rolls. We tried all that tire prep stuff, blah, 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 blah. So, I just said, someone in that video commented, hey, the tires have those lines in them. That's usually when they're going bad. I was like, all right, and the age of the tires how long I had them, and I did not properly care for them, and I daily drove them, left them in the street, left them in the sun, all that other rigmarole, like I do with like all my other, like, as you can see, I got stacks of them that now, what I'm doing this time with all my drag tires and all that stuff, I'm gonna do the proper maintenance on them, and proper, I'm just gonna be wrapping them all when I store them, and then put the softener on all of them. That's what you're supposed to effing do, apparently. I didn't do that on these. So that's why those went bad in about 1 year. But I still did put a lot of miles on them. So I'm going to show you what we did and hopefully it made it better. So here's the ones I took off of the car. They didn't look too bad. So what I was told is if I actually soak them, I think it's like a 12-day process. I could buy this tire bite stuff where I soak them and wrap them, and they should fully soften up again. Because as you can see, they're a little hard for what they are. So I'm going to keep those. And what I'm going to do with those, after I soak them, I'm going to throw them on these rims. Because these tires have holes in them from when I crashed the E55. And then I'm going to throw those back on the death cart, which I'm doing a lot of work on that one right now. So now we're back on the black car. So what I threw on these lightweight rims up front just to help throw some weight transfer on it. I then bought brand new, they're a little dirty because I was driving in the grass, brand new Hoosiers. They're at 35 PSI now. And then I threw the Clk55 shocks are on the rear. I'm not gonna really shove it under there and show you, but sorry for all the grass. I just cut my grass a little bit, I think, and shoved everything on there. So we're gonna see how well these do, and fingers crossed I can start hooking up again. Now time to fire up the car and go see what to do. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. I know this one was like epically short, but it was just some extra footage that I had that I didn't want to throw into the other video and all that stuff. But hope you guys make sure you like and subscribe. We're going to do a little bit more work on the Clk55. I am going to be running a couple other people in the next week or two with this nice cold weather. And hopefully these tires, right now we're at, the clips we just had were roughly like 33 PSI. So if anyone knows, I used to run at 10 PSI. So I'm going to start dropping them down astronomically. I'm going to get some new tires in the front, literally just new stuff. It's going to be the same ones, because anyone knows those Douglases weigh about 15 pounds. So we're going to have that, clean the car up a little bit more. And I got a couple little secret things that I'm going to show in the next video that are going to definitely help my traction and all that stuff. But I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Have a great day, so on and so forth, blah, 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 blah. And everyone be safe out there. See you later.
Hey, yo, boys, watch 'em.